Faith over fear. Esther's courageous choice. In the vast, opulent palace of King Xerxes, Esther, a young Jewish woman, sat alone in her chamber, her heart pounding with fear and uncertainty. She was queen now, chosen from among thousands for her beauty and grace. Yet the weight on her shoulders was heavier than any jeweled crown. News had come from her cousin Mordecai that a deadly decree had been issued. All Jews throughout the kingdom were to be destroyed. Esther knew that if she remained silent, her people would perish. But there was a problem. Approaching the king without being summoned was punishable by death. The law was clear. Anyone who entered the king's presence uninvited faced the risk of execution, unless the king extended his golden scepter in mercy. For days, Esther wrestled with a terrifying question. Should she risk her life to save her people? Her mind raced with doubt and fear. What if the king refuses? What if I lose everything, my crown, my life? Yet deep inside, a quiet voice stirred her spirit, reminding her of a truth that had brought her this far. One evening, Esther confided in Mordecai, expressing her fears. Mordecai's reply was firm, piercing through the fog of her anxiety. Do not think that because you are in the king's palace, you will escape when all others perish. If you remain silent at this time, relief and deliverance for the Jews will arise from another place. But you and your family will perish. And who knows but that you have come to your royal position for such a time as this? Esther 4:13-14, NIV. Those words struck a chord in Esther's soul. She realized her royal position was not an accident. God had placed her in the palace, not just for comfort or status, but for a purpose, to stand in the gap and bring salvation to her people. With trembling hands, Esther made her decision. She would face the king. She would choose faith over fear. Before stepping out, she asked her people to fast and pray with her for 3 days. The weight of the moment settled deep in her heart. This was not just about survival. It was about trusting God's plan, even when the outcome was uncertain. On the 3rd day, dressed in her royal robes, Esther approached the throne room. Each step was heavy, yet steady. The guard stopped her, but then the king saw her and extended his golden scepter, a sign of favor and acceptance. Esther bowed and said, "If it pleases the king, let my life be given me and my people." Her plea was bold and filled with faith. She revealed the wicked plot of Haman, the enemy who sought to destroy her people. The king, moved by her courage and love, reversed the decree. The Jewish people were saved. Esther's story teaches us a powerful lesson. Fear can paralyze, but faith empowers. Her inner struggle, to risk death or to remain silent, is the struggle many face today when called to act courageously in the face of danger or uncertainty. In life's most dangerous challenges, whether they be standing up for what is right, making difficult decisions, or stepping into unknown territory, faith is what makes the difference. Faith is the quiet assurance that God's plan is greater than our fear, that He is with us even in the darkest moments. Esther chose to trust God's timing and purpose even when the stakes were life and death. And through that choice, she became a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of faith over fear. So when you face your own battles, whether personal, professional, or spiritual, remember Esther's courage. Remember that sometimes you have been placed for such a time as this. Your position, your abilities, your voice may be exactly what is needed to bring light into a dark situation. Choose faith over fear. Step forward with courage. Trust that God's plan is unfolding, even when you cannot see the whole path. Because faith is not the absence of fear, it's the choice to trust anyway.